So here we are for day number 39. I'm finally able to start putting some decking on my roof here. And I'm just using 4x8, 7/16 OSB. And I'm starting with the porch here because this is kind of where I'm going to be working off of. And that's why I had to kind of have it done first. Makes it a lot easier to tie everything back together. But anyways, I got this first part done by putting on the actual porch overlay here. And it took 2.5 sheets, 2 full sheets, and then about half of another one. So it's about a 9.5, almost 10-foot overhang here for the porch that the actual decking board is going to be covering. And after that, I get to start working on the rest of the roof here. But still enjoy as I carry these quite, not really that heavy, but just difficult to get up that tall ladder there. But all these decking pieces, one by one, are getting put in place. And this will pretty much wrap up for day number 39, and now we're on to day number 40. And now I got it wrapped up and put all the decking on at least this side of the roof. I'm going to start putting my paper down, and I'm using this Tyvek Protect that's made for actual roofs, and I'm really enjoying this paper. It's really not that much more than your typical tar paper or other ones, but I like the kind of the stickiness it has to it. Real easy to walk on, and especially whenever it's wet. It's just a really great product for a roof. You can do especially steeper ones you're walking on and stuff, but just like any other paper you put on a roof, start from the bottom, work your way up, overlapping the seams. Now, of course, this has all the lines and marks on it, so it makes it fairly easy to do. Where to nail them, make them look line all pretty, where the overlap ends. That way, you get plenty of overlap, which it gives about, I think it's about 6 or 8 inches of overlap. So, yeah, it worked out nice. But anyways, real easy to put the paper on, roll it out, put it up, nail it down, and that's all there is to it.